everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. So probably you have already seen our swimsuit pattern BORA, this one behind me, but today I'm here to introduce you to the transformation that we made from a swimsuit into a bodysuit, and I'm wearing the bodysuit. I actually love it. This is not only a tutorial where you got to know how you can just simply change the fabric and you transform a swimsuit into a bodysuit. No, it's much more than that. We actually constructed a top underneath the main piece, so you will feel more comfortable and more supported. It's constructed with power mesh and an elastic under the bust, so it's very comfortable and very supportive. Of course, you have the same options as you had on the pattern. You can do it with the lower neckline or a little bit less neckline. And of course, we also included on the tutorial how you can add snap buttons on the lower part, so it's easier for you to go to the toilet and just open your bodysuit and it's still comfortable. We also made a little bit of change on the way I sewed the sleeves. So in the swimsuit you have the sleeves, the gathered part on the lower part. It actually creates this small ruffle, so I created a channel on this area here and I left a little bit here. But as you can see on my bodysuit, I did the channel on the edge of the fabric, so it gives an effect different from the one on the swimsuit. The back is the same, it's rounded and it's open just like on the bodysuit, so we kept of course the main features of the bodysuit, of the swimsuit, but now you also have the option to do it as a bodysuit. And I hope you like, guys. See you soon, bye!